like crying.
Hey, Merry friggin' Christmas, Ram fam. Christmas.
Yes. I done it.
Have already at this point opened up all the presents. We will jump back into that in a minute. First off, I just want to say a big thank you, appreciation to all those hardworking utility men, power companies that are out there around the clock right now through this weekend with everyone losing power and stuff, working their hardest to try to get everyone power. We luckily did not lose power, but I know a lot of people did, and it's been cold and everything. So thank you, power people. We appreciate you, and sorry for those that did lose power and any damages and stuff throughout this weekend. It's a bummer. But anyways, Merry Christmas. Check it out. Look what Rylan got today as probably the thumbnail. I don't know what I'm using for the thumbnail yet because I'm talking to the camera. I haven't made it yet. What's up, hon? Look at that on the seat. Remember, keep that pointed down, okay? Oh, I heard it hit something. Let's set up a target now. So Kayla and I did not exchange gifts today. We told each other we're not buying each other gifts because this is our Christmas present. In 2 months, 2 months-ish, 2-3 months, we're moving in here. So obviously, building a house is it's got some expenses. So we don't want to waste money buying each other a new sweater when we already have 20 sweaters. Merry Christmas, Dre's new jacket from Papa. So I don't know. I don't know if we've done an update in a while. So this area we're standing in now, we got kitchen area and dining room, living room kind of open, a little bit higher ceilings and stuff. Over here's Dre's room, main floor bathroom. Up where Rylan is gonna be Rylan's room. Let's just go up there. You show them where you show them where the room is.
I don't know where my room is.
I'm in Rylan's room. I'm in Rylan's room.
I got that on video.
Rylan's room is not safe. Let's not go to Rylan's room. What are you laughing at? All right, it's clearly icy because the roof has not been fully done, so it came through the cracks. And then this is gonna be the office over here, my office and stuff. And then we got the master bedroom, master bathroom. Taylor's excited because we're gonna have a nice 6x12 closet for her. Yay. All right, big send. Woohoo! Oh man.
Excuse me,
I don't know how I ended up chasing this thing.
Because you're the one that threw it in the wrong spot.
No, it's
All right. Don't. You gonna try it again?
I'm closer this time.
Okay. Whoa, good catch, dude. All right. We were doing good in our living room. So let's try this. Ah, that was a good one. And give it a little shove. Yay! Perfect tree. Oh, right through tree to rye. It's slippery over there. Guys, we'll be opening. We're gonna jump back to last night. We're gonna rewind here shortly. Just playing at the land here. Well, it's not nice. It's 20 degrees. It's still a little chilly, but still. Oh, upside down, hon. Get it! What are you doing, snowman? You got it the right way this time? Oh yeah, it's blinking. It's gonna die. No! Oh! All right, let's take it off. Whoa, breakdancing. One of the cheaper gifts. It's the most fun one. This thing was only like 10 bucks or whatever at freaking Walmart. Sorry, little prairie dog. Don't shoot your eye out. Hey! Don't be honking. Oof, got the box at least.
I'm shooting right at his head.
And you got him right in the pee-pee. So I gotta.
Yeah, don't mess with me.
Let me see one of your cans. Hey, look, another groundhog woodchuck.
I didn't hit it.
Safety. Right here. You're close. Watch out, ladies and gentlemen, professional hunter.
Bam, mother.
Boom! You're dead. What a good shot.
Oh, yeah, right through it.
It's all scoped in. Look out. We're gonna have piles. We're gonna look outside. We got piles of freaking squirrels and freaking birds out here. Like on,
Yep.
we got Frankenstein in there.
Thanks.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. It's pretty warm.
Save the boxes.
Save the boxes. This is our basement. We're gonna have over there in the corner utility room, washer dryer. As you can see, the hoses sticking up somewhere just past the blue hoses here. The wall's gonna end, so then all of that in here is gonna be like, I guess, our main hangout living room, and then the bathroom in the corner, a third bathroom. So plenty of spots to poop here, baby. Know where we are now. Only have one bathroom, and it's always everybody has to go to the bathroom at the same freaking time. Especially Kayla. Every time I'm in there doing something, she's got to take a dump.
Oh my God.
All right, guys, that's the house update. It's me and Kayla's Christmas present. Super excited. It's rewind time and have Christmas. That's for Santa.
Yeah, he's gonna have
Santa gets cheesecake.
Yes, cheesecake, and he can read this book to himself.
We figured he
Oh, yeah.
wanted cheesecake instead of cookies.
I
forgot to make him cookies, but
I bet he does want cheesecake. It's 9:50 right now, Ryan. I think we gotta go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed.
What?
Dre, Santa's coming. Dre, Santa's coming. I don't know how anybody else likes to do it, but we like to hide the presents up until Christmas Eve, and then they go to bed, and then we stick them under the tree, so when they wake up, they're like, oh my God. And it's Christmas. I'm not awake yet. The kids clearly are waiting to come down. Hey, you ready to come downstairs or not? I know, hon. I'm just wondering. Rye. Oh, you think so? Merry Christmas. I guess you could come down if you want.
Oh my God! I'm coming. We got new ski poles. See what you said a little bit.
I know.
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right, now me and Mom have to make coffee before we dig into this, okay?
Did Santa know?
Do you like those ones?
Yes.
Are they the good height? We had to look it up and everything. Do they work?
Yeah. I like them. They're cool. What is it?
Cotton candy.
Ooh, Batman. Here you go, Roxy. Batman.
Oh, look at that. Rylan's all pumped up about a toothbrush. You know what? Stockings are boring. Let's skip it. Learn how to open. Is that paper that tough?
Yeah!
Even Roxy's like, yo, hurry up, girl.
No.
Yeah, she is. She's looking like enough already with the rip tearing. Yay!
I wanted
Sweet.
this.
Yeah, I know you wanted that.
Yeah, I was begging you to get it.
You didn't get into the presents last night, kitty. Good job. Ooh, which one's that? This one's so sick. Which one do you like better? The blue one?
Yeah.
Nice, thanks, dude. Ride just farted on me. Oh my God, lights!
Oh, I accidentally whipped it.
Maybe that one was for me.
Yeah, I think that was supposed to be for Dad and I?
Yeah, so we could shoot each other over our arguments. We could just like, we could go back to back and walk 10 paces and turn around and fire at each other. Ah!
I can shoot Rylan now. What? No!
Santa, no!
No!
Ah.
Yay! Two.
Hot chill with.
I needed one.
Hopefully you like it. I know you like
I
said
do
you
like
the
it.
clear one type of
Yeah, I know. When you were saying the other day, you're like,
TJ Maxx.
can we go to TJ Maxx and get a phone case? Like now? How about now? Cheers. I think it was Mom that wrapped it. She stinks. Oh, cool.
And another bag. Ah! I already know what it is. What is it? Goggles.
It wasn't one of them.
Thank you. These are so cute. I need goggles. Look at the strap. I don't think my head's this big.
Yeah, it is.
Yay! I know how to work this.
Oh yeah, magical flying ball spear.
Yeah, I used to have one. Okay, let's work it. No! No tape.
No, I don't think so.
Yay! Close.
Look at the other one I got you. It's so cute.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, cause Dre's going on 2 cruises this year.
It's so cute.
This is cute.
I love it.
See, Rye? Do you get that excited over clothes?
I need sweaters.
OMG!
The shorts.
Please stop.
You pumped or what?
Oh my god, Mom drew
Oh, that's cute, Dre. Nice bathing suit cover. Sure you can. Oh, I know what those are.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You do like the old Converse, do you?
Yeah.
You'll see in a minute.
Socks?
Yes, the best present ever.
I love socks.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I have Yay!
Drina knows
What are
she
they?
wants to put them on with her friends when they come over.
Heart sunglasses.
So they can do videos.
Perfect.
Yay!
What is it, dog?
It's soccer.
Soccer, a little hover soccer set.
Did you say it was?
Mom thought you would like that.
Yeah, I love it.
Go, Drina. Go, Drina. Go, 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 Drina. Go, Drina. I know, I heard her just say it was a blanket.
It's the one I asked for. I think I know what it is.
It's a box, dude.
I love boxes. Goggles.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
Oh, you think we didn't leave you out?
He knows. He doesn't do. Oh.
They look cool.
Yeah, dude. Whoa, really cool. Put them up to your... Look at me.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice, dude. You got new goggles.
Ow! I opened that package. My favorite mascara.
Is that really your favorite?
Yes. Blush. I don't know. Eyeshadow. Don't know.
Yeah.
Why, you interested, Rye? You want some? Are you jealous?
Blenders. Need to see what's in. So, ow! Ow! Nope.
What is it? What is it? Oh, yeah, okay.
It's awesome, though. Socks and a sweatshirt.
I love this so much. No. These are cute.
Do you like them?
Yes. Thank you.
Game on, dude. cute, dude. Hell yeah. I like it.
Right, just teal. I'm the teal one.
Ooh, this is a nice white jacket.
That's sick.
Yes.
That might be a little big though.
Yeah. Thank you. I don't care.
As he goes flying across the room.
Holy Snopes.
Woo-hoo.
It's a big juicy one. That's enough room in there to live in.
What?
Oh, I think we Mike,
Night.
I can't live in here.
I can't live in here.
Maybe we should have opened it beforehand.
Oh my goodness.
You have to carry Dree's stuff too.
I'm glad you put so many layers on it, so we still have no idea what it is.
Silent.
Ah! Oh my god!
It's a BB gun ride.
Yay!
A real one.
You got your own BB gun, dude.
Now we can go up to Papa's with it.
Or at our land
Yes, and I can put
in a
that
couple
on
months when we live there.
I can put this on the tree and I can shoot it.
Yeah, dude.
I thank you.
You got some targets there to shoot at.
Thank
Nice.
you.
Dude, go
I
One
to.
of your
So
big gifts
much.
was your sneakers, because those were expensive. But I wanted you to open it with
so
me.
much. Just by the name. What is it?
Is it a hair straightener?
Yeah, the curl.
No, it's a curl. No, but
wanted so bad.
We cleared the tree. Poof. Poof. It's some figs. You like it?
no. Yes.
Thank you so much. Is he like crying?
I
Are you
can't
excited?
believe my head right now. No, I was like, no, the reason why I was smiling because I knew it was an Oculus because I seen someone that has the same exact case.
Oh yeah.
So,
That's it. All done. Within an hour. Boxes everywhere. I don't know. Was it an hour?
Yeah, very much.
Plus we did a couple other things. Are you happy?
yes.
She's happy. I wonder what Rylan's up to. I wonder where Rylan could be. Already playing gorilla tag. Yo, are you happy, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah? Right.
What?
I love you.
Love you.
Merry Christmas.
And
Send it over. Yoo!
I thought that was gonna hit me in the head.
Dree's favorite present.
No.
You look kind of old like that. Like an old man.
Like a hippie.
Yeah.
Yeah, Santa got me these.
Heck yeah, thanks Santa. Thanks Santa Claus. Oh, it's cool, the hood's open. Would you say you had a pretty good Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah? What'd you like about it?
I looked out the presents and hanging out with Papa and you guys.
Oh, you liked hanging out with us? Not
Yeah.
just about the presents?
Yeah.
Ain't that sweet? Aren't you sweet? But you like the presents too though, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
Oculus.
The Oculus is?
Yeah. Which
Yeah.
one is your favorite?
Which one do I like?
Yeah.
Or the Ram Fam?
You and the Ram Fam.
I like the blue one, I think.
I like the blue one.
Yeah, guys, what do you like? Blue or the orange? What would you choose if you could blow these cars up, not to pieces, but bigger, to make it a real car to drive?
Not blow them to pieces.
Not blow them up to pieces, just bigger.
Wait.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. What was your favorite thing you got today, Dre?
The curler.
A hair curler? Heck yeah.
Yes.
My favorite gift is the house. All right, but they're sweet, but then they're also sour.
What? What? That's a sweet and sour.
Yeah, like the Sour Patch
He's
Kids.
sour, not sweet at all.
You're sour as hell too.
What are you talking about?
And that ends Christmas. 2022. It's almost 2023. Happy freaking New Year. Thanks for watching, guys. You know, we love you. Hope you had a good Christmas. Hope you stayed safe. Until the next time.
Stay happy. Stay weird. Peace.